Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Gemini to check grammar. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open Gemini and start a new chat. Then, type a clear prompt telling Gemini what you want it to do. You can use prompts like check the grammar of this paragraph and correct any mistakes, or proofread this text for grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors. After the prompt, paste your text directly into the chat and send it. Gemini will then review your text and return a corrected version with grammar, spelling, punctuation, and clarity improvements. It may also smooth out awkward sentences while keeping the original meaning. If you want a specific style, you can add instructions like keep the casual tone or use a professional tone. You can also ask Gemini to explain the corrections if you want to understand what was changed. For longer content, paste one section at a time to keep the feedback accurate. If Gemini changes too much, simply reply with something like only fix grammar and punctuation or less rewriting, more corrections. Before using the final version, quickly read through it to make sure everything sounds natural. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use Gemini to check grammar. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.